Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Mechanics tutorials. So now I am going to discuss about the free body diagram, which should be discussed in engineering mechanics, which will be useful for while solving some engineering problems. So first I want to let you know what do you mean by free body diagram. So here free body diagram means it is a sketch which shows the isolated body from its supports and representing all the forces acting on a body is known as a free body diagram. So that means here a sketch which represents the body separated from its all elemental supports and showing the whatever the forces acts on that forces act on that body due to those supporting elements. So that sketch is known as here free body diagram. So first we'll take one example. So here this body, circular body, is hanging with a string which is connected to a wall. Consider it is as a wall. So from the wall, it is hung by using a string. So here we know that the weight will be acting downwards. So that is W I am saying here, and it is resting on a wall at a point A. So that means here this body is connected by using a string to the wall. So when it is connected like this, it will support on at a particular point which is in contact with the wall. Okay, and again the weight will be acting downwards. So yeah, the free body diagram means it should show only the body with all the forces acting on that body. So I want to show you the body. So with all the forces means already we know one force is weight, which is the self weight of the body, which will be acting downwards to the body. So that is W, and again due to the support, whenever it is resting on the wall, that means the body will be applying certain force on the wall. At the same time, the return force will be applied by the wall to it. So why? Because means according to the Newton's third law of motion, so where there is an action there will be reaction. So automatically here also when the body rests, when the body applies a force on the wall, automatically equal and opposite force will be applied by the wall on the body. So the force due to the wall we can represent. So before that I want to show you the tension force. So whenever it is hung by a string, so due to the weight, certain tension will be applied to this string. Okay, now that will be acting upward. Okay, whenever by using a thread also any object is hung, so automatically the when the weight is acting downward, so again due to the weight there will should be again certain opposite action. So that opposite action will be acting in the thread. Here the string I said, so in that string certain tension force will be acting towards the wall. Okay, that is due to the weight of the body. Okay, and similarly here the wall will be applying certain reaction force, so that will be Ra. Okay, so that means here I have displaced the body and I have represented all the forces acting on the body. Okay, now so this diagram is known as a free body diagram. Okay, while solving some engineering problems we can apply this knowledge for getting the desired values of the loads and distances at which they are acting. Okay, so similarly we take another example. So this is another example which is resting at two different points at a corner of certain floor. Consider any floor and this is a wall. So at the corner of the room the body is resting like this, a circular body which is having the weight W, and it is again connected by a certain string. Okay, so that string, in that string also certain tension force will be acting due to the self weight. Okay, so again here we have to represent all the forces by isolating this body. So wherever the contact point is taking place, certain reaction force will be applied by the wall because of the force applied by the body on the wall and the floor. Okay, similarly we can represent the free body, weight and the tension and the reaction force Ra and the reaction force Rb. Okay, na? So this is also again one example for drawing, for representing the free body diagram. Okay, this is the way of drawing a free body diagram. Next we go for another example. So again here assume in a right angle V shape the body is resting. Okay, so when the body is resting like this with having weight W, so it will be in contact with this V shape at certain 2 points A and B. So at this A and B, again certain reaction forces will be acting on the body due to the weight of the body. Okay, so again we can represent the body with weight and the two forces perpendicular to the line. Okay now, so RA and RB. Okay, this is also one example of drawing a free body diagram. Okay now, I have taken a circular body. We can take any shape of the body, and if it is resting on any particular object or any at any place, and again if it is in between any two components, so when it is in between two components, so whatever the forces may be taking place, by isolating that body from those supports and elements, we can represent the reaction forces acting on the body. Okay, that is the free body diagram, which is used in engineering problems to solve particular uh, uh, required things, maybe forces or distances or moments or whatever it may be required thing in engineering problems. We use the free body diagrams. So I hope you understand about the free body diagram, what is the application of free body diagram, and how to represent the free body diagram whenever any object is given in a particular condition. So once again, thanks for watching my video, and still if you have any doubts, please feel free to give a comment to my video, so that I'll try to clarify your doubts. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my video and suggest your friends also to watch my video and subscribe to my channel and support me to give more and more explanation on engineering mechanics. And once again, thank you all. Thank you so much.